Deduction for openings are always in demand. That's why we have introduced a new feature, vertical area deduction for length-based entities. With this, you can now get the accurate quantities for walls and wall finishes while considering any wall openings. Applying this feature is simple. First, make sure you have both a length entity and a count element in place. Then, under the count element you want to use for deductions, switch the opening attributes from no to yes. Next, select the length entity where you want to apply the deductions. In the attribute editors on the selected wall entities, expand the deduction sections. If the count element has the opening attribute set to yes, it will appear in the list of door labels, window labels, or opening labels. Once selected, the section width and height details will automatically transfer to the door width and door height. As soon as these values are entered, the deduction is applied, and your quantity will be instantly updated. By default, each door, window, or opening is counted as 1, but you can adjust this count based on your drawing conditions to ensure the precise deductions. If multiple openings are involved, you can categorize them under doors, windows, or openings for better organizations. One important note, deduction works are working as a private attributes, meaning if you updated the dimensions of your count elements, such as the doors, the deduction would not be automatically updated. Therefore, the quickest way to refresh it is by removing the labels, width and height, and then reselect the labels again. With this enhancement, you can now achieve more accurate quantity calculations while reducing manual adjustments. Try it out and see the difference it makes.